It is with great honor to invite you to our 15th annual conference of the Saudi Anesthesia Society, SAS, welcoming you from the 17th to 19th of November 2022, on-site in Crown Plaza, Al Minhal, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, and online around the world through the virtual platform. Anesthesia's specialty is undergoing evolution on the back of rapid advancements in technology, research and development, medications, interventions, and healthcare facilities. Hence, our theme for upcoming conference is Innovative Approach in Anesthesia Practice. The COVID-19 pandemic has severely affected many academic meetings, including ours. The 14th meeting was held virtually, while the upcoming 15th meeting is being organized as a hybrid of virtual and on-site sessions. To explore the virtual platform, kindly follow the steps for a quick and easy sign-in process. Login information. Open the link on the registration email sent to you, and it will direct you to the virtual conference user login portal. Kindly enter your email address and password on your received registration email. If you've forgotten your password, you may click on the Forgot Password button and receive an email to reset your password. If you have not registered yet, kindly click on the button to register now. Lobby. Once you have signed in, the window will direct you to the main lobby, and this will be your ideal starting point. You may edit your profile by clicking on the profile icon in the upper right corner and the notification bell icon beside the profile icon, which serves as the notification for the latest announcement of the virtual conference. You can switch between halls with just one click on the lobby, or by clicking the tabs on your dashboard's upper side without any hassle or long walks. Auditorium. Here in the auditorium, you will attend live sessions in webinar format. Please take note of the following upon attending a session. Click this Maximize icon to view in full screen, and make sure to join audio by clicking the headphones icon. You may click the Q&A type box by clicking the Q&A icon to ask questions related to the ongoing session, and the moderator will assist you. Click the Leave Webinar button to leave the session. Agenda. You will find the agenda according to the hall. When you click the Join Session button, it will automatically take you to the live session. And down here is a button that you may add to your Google Calendar to pin on your schedule and keep you notified. Abstract Hall. As for the Abstract Hall, you may view the abstracts by clicking the PDF icon on the screen's right side and switching between pages to view more of the submitted abstracts by clicking the Next Page icon. Just click on the X button to leave the abstract page. Exhibit Hall. Our industry partners will showcase the latest devices, innovations, and interventional therapies in this unique virtual exhibition hall. Even the booth looks realistic and includes documents, videos, individual branding, and contacts. When you click the booth, you may check their services provided in the description box, and you can add their documents or videos to your virtual bag and send it to your email. You'll also have the opportunity to interact with our industry partners by asking live questions by joining the Start Chat button. Information Desk. At the Information Desk, type your questions and get your answers in real time from our online representatives. Speakers Lounge. This lounge is only for speakers and moderators. Networking Lounge. Lastly, the Networking Lounge, for live chat through group and private chat rooms with other participants. We in the Scientific Committee are currently working hard on planning the programs and events to make the meeting successful and beneficial to all virtual and on-site participants. I hope that you'll be able to attend our meeting, and we'll be able to bring new knowledge and techniques to your professional career.